How to answer, why do you want to work here? Avoid saying, I just need a job. Use information gained from the initial description to explain why you want the job, showing that your personal and professional goals align with the organization's and how your years of experience will be uniquely valuable to the company. To help you prepare, here's our advice on how to successfully answer the "Why do you want to work here?" job interview question. 1. Show your passion for the role and organization. To answer the question, what attracted you to apply for this role, you should first think about why you want to work for this company in this particular role. If needed, research the company to determine exactly why you want to work there. Remember, employees who are passionate about the company they work for are usually the people who add the most value and stand out from the crowd. They aim to achieve the highest success for the organization as well as for themselves. That's why a hiring manager wants to see genuine interest in their company and the job. So, in your "Why do you want this job?" answer, make sure you mention times how the values of the organization align with yours, times the services or products they produce that excite you the most, times the duties from the job description that excite you the most, times the recent achievements of the organization that impressed you. Whether you have been following the brand for a long time or had not heard of the company until you came across this job opportunity, it's important to share your passion and enthusiasm to the hiring manager within your answer. 2. Show your ambition. Your potential employer also wants to hire someone who will not only add value to the team today but also in the long term. They will look for someone with ambition who wants to continuously develop and achieve success in the job. When answering this part of the question, make sure you explain times your career ambitions, times how this role is aligned to these ambitions, times how you see a long-term future with the organization, times why you want to progress your career in this particular organization. However, avoid giving the employer the impression that this is just one step on your career ladder and you'll move on to another employer once you've achieved your next short-term career goal. Instead, in your answer, find a balance between showing your ambition while avoiding implying that you're using the role as a springboard to something else. 3. Show your appreciation for the opportunity. Then, finish your "What attracted you to apply for this role?" answer by providing a summary of your suitability and expressing how glad you were to be invited in for an interview. This is where you are putting it all together, so be genuine and excited by the opportunity so that you leave a positive impression with the interviewer. Example, why do you want this job? Answer. This example is for a marketing executive who is interviewing for a job in the cybersecurity industry. Cybersecurity is such an important, growing and ever-changing industry. It's an industry I've grown to be very passionate about over the years, and during this time, I have paid close attention to XXXXX as a pioneering market leader. I know that you provide robust, preemptive solutions and I read your industry commentary with interest regularly. Needless to say, I was very excited when I saw you were hiring for this position. When I initially read the job description for the role, one of the things that particularly appealed to me was that it has a strong social media focus, which is perfectly suited to my strengths. While social media marketing is my strongest skill, I am aware that as a profession it is always evolving and I will need to continuously develop my expertise. Working for a forward-thinking market leader such as XXXXX, with a sophisticated and strong social media strategy, will allow me to keep my finger on the pulse and progress to my full potential using the learning and career opportunities available. To sum up, this role and company is well suited to my interests, skill set and ambitions, and I am excited to be interviewing for this opportunity. A well-thought-out approach. Why do you believe you are the best candidate for this position? Is an interview question that shouldn't throw you. It is a question you know you are going to be asked in your next interview, so understanding exactly how to answer this question makes sense. Of course, your "Why do you want to work for this company?" best answer requires research and careful planning. But by taking the time to prepare a personal, detailed and well thought out answer that includes the above elements, you'll impress hiring managers and help them see your potential.